Okay, so this is StakeWise, a blockchain-based betting platform, which we have done as our second year software project in University of Moratuwa. So this is our homepage. So as you can see, we have listed the current ongoing events as the users can place bet on. First, we have to log in to the system to log. So I'll use Google authentication to log in. So after logging to the system, you can place the bets on various events listed in the home page. Okay, so for example, now let's try to place a bet for this event. So you can place the bet button here, and it shows how much time till the event ends and all the details regarding this particular event and the total prize pool collected for this specific event and the market overview. So this shows like how much people have is telling that the answer is yes and how much is going to say no. So this helps a new user to get an idea which option that they should place the bet on. So now I'll try to place a bet. For example, let's say yes for this, and let's place a bet like, so these currencies Ethereum. So currently we use Sepolia test network as our deployment. So okay, now I'll try to place the bet on the yes option, and then use MetaMask as our uh, crypt, uh, cryptocurrency wallet. So this has act as a browser extension, and when we confirm this from our wallet, this amount is going to get deducted, and it goes to the price pool. Give it a second. Okay, so as you can see now, uh, the option we can see that it updates real time. So the price pool isn't updated yet because we have only entered a small amount like 0.0005, but this can't show it. That's the reason. And here we have event rules and event details, and also we have community discussion chat, so we can add any comment and post it. Also we can reply to other people's posts, so this act as community chat basically. Yes, so then again we have this deposit section. So in this section we can deposit cryptocurrencies to our MetaMask wallet using fiat currencies. So you can see the current Ethereum price and all the details regarding it. And we use MoonPay payment gateway to deposit currencies. So it's still loading. So what you can do is you can select the currency and enter the amount you like, and then like that you can proceed with the payment. And also we have a real-time notification system which works from the admin side. Okay, now let's go to the user profile. So in this user profile you can customize your profile pictures and other basic details about you like that. And also you can deactivate or permanently delete your account as well. And then we have watch list, which is like when we add this star to this event. Let me show you. So if we add this star into this one, then it gets added to the watch list. So that's the function. Okay, let's go to the dashboard. So this is the user dashboard. So this dashboard shows the user's current earnings and like net profit, total bets placed, and everything regarding to the user. So this shows active bets and like current level system, also history and transaction history, and everything that the users have done recently, it's there in this dashboard. And then results. So in this results section we can see the results of the previous events. So for example, this is an event that was finalized. So in this event we can see the winner and the total prize pool and everything like that. And there we have contact support form. So in here we can like contact the StakeWise people and submit a ticket. And also we have a responsible gambling section. So in here we can set deposit limits, because sometimes uh, gambling may become addictive. So in cases like that, we can set up a limit. For example, as a daily limit, I'll set up 30 Ethereum, like that. Then we can set the limit, and after that we cannot exceed the Ethereum limit of 30 Ethereums per day. And also we can take a self-assessment. So using this assessment, we can get an idea about how addictive we are in for the gambling process. So this gives a like a risk message, then you probably should not uh, gamble. So as you can see, the assessment is complete and says that I'm at a risk of, like, I'm likely to be addicted for this gambling process. So it's not recommending me to do this. Also, we have assessment history. Yes. Then now let's move on to the admin side. So this is the admin side of our website. So this shows some analytics about the website, about the admin profits and current events, upcoming total number of users, everything. This shows the recent bets the people have placed. Also the admin wallet details. This is the account that the admin's profit is going to get collected to. Also, we can generate a comprehensive report about our website, current status of it, and everything. And as you can see, it gets downloaded, and you can see the details, current details about the system. And then we have the event creation functionality. So if you want to create a new betting event, what you can do is you can create new event and then add the name, category, and event description, and also start time and end time. So for example, I'll say like this. And rules and notification, we can add some rules and notifications. And also we can add the event name, event image. So for example, I'll just add this for now. So these get saved in the Cloudinary CDN. So it's really fast than other saving methods. After that, we can create the event. So this event is going to get saved on the blockchain, so no one can tamper with it. It's immutable actually. So this asks us to confirm this transaction. So once this confirm this, the event is going to store in the blockchain, and there no one can tamper with it. Even the admins cannot change anything once they have created the event. Yeah. So we have created successfully to the blockchain and saved to the database. Okay. So as you can see, you can see the uh, current ongoing uh, events, and in here this is the finished event. So that's why you can see this symbol. So what we can do is, if you want, now the event is finished and now we want to declare the winner, what you can do is you can select the yes button and declare the winner. And for that also we need to have confirmation from the MetaMask, because it's stored in the blockchain. So once we confirm this, it's going to distribute the prizes among the winners. So for now, since I have a little money left, I'll cancel this. And then we have the users. So as admins, we can see all the users who's using this website. Also, we can change their roles from user to admin, like that. And also we can delete the users as well if they do something unnecessary. And this is admin user profile. You can change the user details of the admin as well. And then we have the slider page, so we can add the images for the slider in the home page from this admin panel. And also we have this news section. So the news are fetched by both from an API, external API, and also we can create custom news as well from this interface. So that's about our website. Thank you.